Naked Eye 3D LED display. Naked Eye 3D refers to the technology that can achieve stereoscopic visual effects without the use of external tools. The emergence of this technology has eclipsed all other LED screens, and at a time when the ads of new media are increasing in attraction, print media advertising is experiencing an incredible reverse flow. As a result, major shopping malls began to tap the gold potential of 3D advertising screens. The technology used in Naked Eye 3D can be traced back to the Renaissance anamorphosis. Visual illusion is simply a method of expanding and confusing spatial perception with perspective painting. Anamorphosis is a distorted projection that requires the viewer to occupy a specific vantage point and view a recognizable image using a special device or both. The 3D Naked Eye video technology that is widely available today actually uses the parallax barrier technology in optical illusion. Parallax barrier is a device technology that is placed in front of an image source, e.g. LCD screen. When we view a picture, our left eye and right eye receive different images, and the images received by the left and right eyes are eventually imaged in our brain. And parallax barrier technology, parallax barrier, is actually flexible to the use of our left and right eyes in the visual barrier inconsistency. Located in front of a normal screen, it consists of an opaque layer and a series of precisely spaced slits that allow each eye to see a different set of pixels, thus creating a sense of depth through parallax. The difference between conventional LED display and 3D LED display. Refresh rate. From the perspective of LED display driver chip, outdoor 3D LED display, no matter day and night will be a hotspot to attract people's attention and camera shooting. So the hardware configuration should be paired with a driver chip that supports high grayscale with excellent very low gray, 3840 Hz high refresh rate, HDR high dynamic contrast ratio, and low power consumption to present realistic and shocking 3D anthropomorphic images. The conventional display has no rigid requirements for resolution. Visual effect. Conventional LED displays are flat and two-dimensional, and they cannot provide a three-dimensional sense. The 3D LED display is usually presented in a 90-degree right-angle arc installation to achieve non-two-dimensional display surface. The arc of this part of the product PCB module cabinet is custom-made. Video content. Traditional LED displays do not require custom video. They can display static images, text, and animation. 3D display video requires the construction of three dimensions based on the perspective relationship of the display shape, resolution, point-to-point customization, curved structure design, achieving a realistic Naked Eye 3D impact. Costs. Compared with ordinary LED displays, the Naked Eye 3D LED screens need corresponding cost will be higher than ordinary displays. Naked Eye 3D LED screens need to adapt to specific installation scenarios. There are some features of custom development. The goal is to provide customers with the perfect solution and the optimal viewing experience. How to make and design Naked Eye 3D LED display. Conventional display. Small pixel pitch screen plus high refresh rate up to 3840 Hz, indoor and outdoor LED display, plus special 3D video plus seamless splicing. Special 3D video. Closely related to this kind of Naked Eye 3D is still the design and processing of video material. First of all, the material resolution should be customized point to point. After the main perspective is selected, 3D software is used to do 3D construction based on the perspective relationship of the display modeling. Use 3D software to build and simulate 3D perspective space, and with professional editing and rendering software to render 3D stereoscopic effect on the video material. Finally, professional multi-channel media broadcast control software and video server are used for decoding and playback to achieve the optimal presentation of spatial 3D dynamic effects. 1. Unity to create the final perspective film source. 2. Crop in the editing software PR, deformation. 3. Make side and bottom of the screen stretching trend through 3ds Max. Key points for making a successful outdoor giant 3D Naked Eye display. Enough pixels to create rich image details. needs a more professional decoder software. The display needs to achieve a better contrast ratio and HDR high dynamic range. High-level HDR technology. The display needs the art of screen structure modeling. Best viewing distance and range. As light as possible, easy to install and maintain. Less power consumption and more energy saving. Stable and reliable even in harsh outdoor environments. Match the surrounding building environment. Excellent video material. Naked Eye 3D industry market demand is gradually rising. In recent years, as the Naked Eye 3D technology has entered the maturity period, the number of patents has started to decline. But the technology application scene is gradually broadening, and it has been applied in shopping, advertising and so on. In the future, the application scenes of Naked Eye 3D will be further developed into many fields such as medical, education, tourism, etc. In the next few years, the Naked Eye 3D industry will usher in a period of rapid development. With the innovation of technology, Naked Eye 3D may be the next generation of display leap but also a trend. Some institutions predict that the global 3D display shipments and market size will reach 280 million units and $83 billion in 2022. The future Naked Eye 3D market penetration rate will reach more than 50%. The Naked 3D screens in each city are transformed into the city's landmarks because of their stunning visual effects. At the same time, more and more cities are integrating urban culture and creative content. Combine it with Naked Eye 3D screen to make a unique visual card of the city. The Naked Eye 3D advertisement is a spectacular visual and a surprising visual trick. Through the live video of visitors, it will spread virally on the internet and generate attention. The massive online attention will bring you a huge amount of offline traffic. With these Naked Eye 3D LED displays, you can spread your brand explosion. Not only do they catch eyeballs, but they can also increase brand value with artistic content. With these Naked Eye 3D LED displays, you can spread your brand explosion. Not only do they catch eyeballs, but they can also increase brand value with artistic content.